Hi guys, I'm Shani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Ngomane. Please like, subscribe, share and hit the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time when I drop a video, because guys, I am all about business selling. So if you want to start something, you don't know, just hang in here. I will be posting a lot of business ideas because I have a lot of business ideas. I have like more than 500 business ideas. Yes, I have them. I just want to share with you guys because I know there's a lot of people out there who wants to start something but they don't know what to do. So I am here to help you guys. So please stay with me, and then I'm sure that one day I'll be able to help you. So guys, today we're talking about selling perfumes. Selling perfumes, you can buy them in SA bulk bales. So guys, you can buy 30 mils perfumes for 1,150, and then you can also buy 130 mils for 3,500. Yes, their scents are actually inspired by Boss, Chanel, and you know those fancy perfumes. Yeah, their scents are inspired by them. And guys, I think it's a great business to start because remember, we have a lot of people who sell perfumes for Atherford, what you call this company, Avon and Inuka. Yes, so just imagine if you are buying these perfumes and sell it for yourselves, not for those companies. You can make a lot of money because you decide on how much you want to sell them for. And the good thing about it I'm sorry, is that in SA bulk bales they have an option whereby you can brand your perfumes. So it means that you'll be selling your own brand. So guys, let's think about this thing. You can franchise one day. You can have people actually selling perfumes for you. You'll become a boss if you're consistent. You put in that work, and then you can make it. So let's make an example. Let's say you sell each for 60 rands. We'll start with 50. You sell each for 60 rand, you get 3,000 rands. From that 3,000 rands, you have to subtract the original price of 1,950. Your profit will be 1,050 rands. You sell again 60. If you bought 100, you will get 6,000. 6,000 subtracting 3,500, you'll get 2.5. So you can see that you made almost 100% profit. So again, as I said, it's all up to you guys. You can even sell it in such a way that you will make 100% profit. It's up to you because it will be your own business. So I think it is something that we need to consider and start selling, guys. Let's start selling. As I always tell you guys, I'm all about selling, nothing else. I'm all about selling, sharing business ideas whereby you will have to sell. You have to go out there and make money. It won't just come. You won't just make money out of nowhere. You have to go out there. And I always advise that if you feel that you are not the kind of person who loves selling and all that, you can always hire people and discuss on how much you'll be able to pay them so that they can be able to sell it for you guys. So please stay tuned and like, share, hit that notification button because today I'm going to drop another video. This video will be talking about a business whereby people who have a lot of money can be able to invest in, because I want to cover everyone. There are people who are working and who have savings, but they want to start a business, but they don't know what to do, know which business to start. So I'm also going to accommodate those people and accommodate the unemployed who have no money at all. I am going to do that, guys. So please stay tuned, hit that notification button, subscribe and like. But most importantly guys, please share, because if it doesn't help you, it might help the person next to you. So please share and have a wonderful day. Bye.